Today's video is on classification of commercial organization. We are going to discuss some important MCQs regarding this chapter. These MCQs are important from exam point of view. So let's focus and start. Our question 1 is, the primary objective of commercial organization is option 1, to provide public services without profit motive. Option 2, to earn profit through production or distribution of goods or services. Option C, to create employment opportunities only. Or option D, to regulate economic activities of the government. The correct answer will be कमर्शियल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का प्राइमरी मोटिव क्या होता है? Option B is the correct answer. See, the main aim of commercial organization is to earn profit by providing or selling goods and services. Employment generation or public services may happen as a byproduct, but they are not primary objectives. Next, question number 2. Which of the following does not comes under the scope of commercial organization? क्या पूछ रहा है? Does not comes. Options क्या है? Option A, partnership firm trading in the textile, public corporation supplying water. Option C, multinational companies producing mobiles. Or option D, sole proprietorship running a bakery. So the correct answer will be option number B. Municipal corporations are non-commercial organizations. Because municipal corporations are non-commercial organization because their main aim is public welfare, not profit, while commercial organizations are profit oriented. Question number 3. In a private sector enterprise, ownership and control lies mainly with. Private sector enterprise में ownership और control किसके पास होता है? Options are A, government, B, private individual or groups, C, both government and individuals equally, or D, international agencies. The correct answer will be option number B. See, the private sector is owned, managed and controlled by private individuals or group, and their main aim is to earn profit. Government has no ownership in private sector enterprise. Next, coming up to question number 4, which of the following is not a feature of private sector enterprise? क्या है? Not a feature of private. Options क्या क्या है? Option A is profit motive. Option B, private ownership. Option C, social service as primary aim. Or option D, independent decision making. The correct answer will be option number C. Social services as primary aim belongs to public sector and non-profit organization. In case of private sector, profit motive, private ownership and independent decision making are the real features. Next, question number 5. Flexibility in decision making is a feature of private sector enterprise because option A, they are free from government interference. Option B, they have unlimited capital resources. Option C, they work only for social welfare. Or option D, they have compulsory public accountability. So what is the correct answer? Option A is the correct answer. Because in private sector enterprises, decisions are taken quickly because owners don't need government approval. In contrast, public sector enterprises often face bureaucratic delays. I hope this question is clear to you all. Question number 6. Which of the following best explains a public sector enterprise? इनमें से कौन सा बेस्ट पब्लिक सेक्टर एंटरप्राइज का फीचर एक्सप्लेन करता है? ऑप्शन ए क्या है? ओन्ड, मैनेज्ड एंड कंट्रोल्ड बाय प्राइवेट एंटरप्रेन्योर्स. Option B, jointly run by government and private individuals. Option C, owned and operated by the government to provide services and promote welfare. Or option D, any company listed in stock exchange. So what will be the correct answer? The correct answer is option number C. Public sector enterprises are established by the government, not primarily for profit, but for the welfare, infrastructure development, and balanced economic growth. So the correct answer for question 6 is number C. Next, question number 7. Which feature of public sector enterprise often makes them less competitive compared to private firm? Option A, large capital investment. Option B, profit motive. Option C, bureaucratic control and red tapeism. Or option D, public accountability. The correct answer for question 7 is option number C. Public sector enterprise often faces delays or excessive paperwork, rigid rules, making them slow and less efficient compared to the flexible private sectors. Next, question number 8 is, public sector enterprise are set up mainly for maximum profit, B, welfare of society and balanced economic growth. Option C, minimizing government involvement in economy. Or option D, quick decision making and competition. So the correct answer will be option number B, welfare of society and balanced economic growth. The question number 9th. A joint sector enterprise is one where option A, ownership is only in the hands of private individual. Option B, ownership is fully controlled by government. Option C, ownership and management are shared by government and private sector. And option D, ownership is transferred from government to people. So the correct answer will be option number C. A joint sector enterprise is one where ownership and management are shared by government and private sector. Question number 10. Which of the following is correct feature of joint sector enterprise? इनमें से कौन सा correct feature है joint sector enterprise का? Options क्या है? Option A, they are financed only by public. Option B, they combine resources of both government and private sector. Option C, their aim is purely social science. Or option D, they are completely free from public accountability. So what will be the correct answer? Option number B. Joint sector enterprises are partnership between government and private sector where both contribute resources, capital and management. Question number 11. Which of the following is an example of joint sector enterprise in India? Options: State Bank of India, Maruti Suzuki India Limited. Option C, Reliance Industries, or Reserve Bank of India. The correct answer is option number B. State Bank of India and Reserve Bank of India are public sector enterprises, whereas Reliance Industries is private sector enterprises. So the correct answer for joint sector enterprise will be Maruti Suzuki India Limited. Question number 12. Which of the following differentiates public sector and private sector enterprise most accurately? Options are A, scale of operation, B, source of finance and ownership, C, decision making speed, and D, level of accountability to government. The correct answer will be question number 12. Which of the following differentiates public sector and private sector enterprise most accurately? Options are A, scale of operation, B, source of finance and ownership, C, decision making speed, and D, level of accountability to government. The correct answer will be option number B. See, the key difference is ownership. Public sector is financed and controlled by government, whereas private sector is owned and financed by private individuals or groups. Next, question number 13. Which of the following pairs is incorrectly matched? Options क्या है? Private sector for profit motive, B. Public sector for social welfare objectives, option C. Joint sector owned only by government, or option D. Private sector independent decision making. So which one is the correct answer? You have to find incorrectly matched. Option number C. This is incorrect because joint sector means ownership is shared between government and private sector, not only with government. And the last question of today's video is, public sector enterprise often requires subsidies and financial support from government. This reflects A. Their efficiency in profit making, option B. Their objective of social service over profitability, option C. Their independence in decision making, or option D. Their complete control by private investors. The correct answer will be option number B. Public sector enterprise usually focuses on welfare and development, like affordable services, infrastructure, rather than profit. Hence, they often need subsidies and support continue operating.